Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to track changes in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To track changes in Google Docs, go to Google Docs and open the document. In Google Docs, on upper right corner you will find a button editing mode. Just click on drop down here, click on suggesting. I'm going to add some text here. And name. Now I'm going to type the date. And typing the status offline. And look, the tracking are here. You will find all the tracking are here. I am minimizing the document. Look here, you will find the trackings. Now, if you want, you can change the tracking. Look, all trackings are here. Now, here, click the reply. If you think this one is correct, just click on accept suggestion. If you think this one is not correct, you can just reject the suggestion. And here, if you want this is correct, you can add reply. Okay. And then click on okay. And this one is correct. Okay, fine. And if you want this replace is correct, you can click on correct, or if you reject the replace, look, the replace is rejected. This is the easiest way to track editing in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.